What would you do if a 7.6 magnitude earthquake hit your city? Imagine the ground beneath your feet trembling, buildings collapsing, fires igniting, and a tsunami warning causing a frantic rush to higher ground. This isn't a scene from a disaster movie, but a harsh reality faced by the people of Japan on January 1, 2024. The United States Geological Survey reported that the earthquake occurred at 4:10 p.m. local time on the Noto Peninsula of Ishikawa Prefecture. This was not an isolated incident. Since the start of the new year, Japan has been hit by 155 earthquakes, including the 7.6 magnitude jolt and another one over 6 magnitude. The Japan Meteorological Office also reported that many of these earthquakes had a magnitude greater than 3, and 6 strong jolts were still felt on January 2nd. The aftermath was devastating. Several buildings collapsed, fires broke out, and tsunami warnings reached as far as eastern Russia. Coastal areas were instructed to evacuate as soon as possible. A large fire also broke out in the central Japanese city of Wajima, destroying over 100 shops. At the Shika nuclear power facility in Ishikawa Prefecture, a blast was reported, and a burning stench filled the air. The earthquake's impact extended to essential services. Mobile phone providers reported disruptions in the affected prefectures. Some services of Shinkansen bullet trains were also suspended. It was a stark reminder of how quickly everyday life can be upended by a natural disaster. In response, the Japan Prime Minister's office urged for a swift assessment of the damage. The government pledged to spare no effort in their emergency disaster responses, including saving lives and rescuing disaster victims. The Indian Embassy in Japan even set up an emergency room for anyone to contact. To recap, a 7.6 magnitude earthquake hit Japan on January 1, 2024, causing severe damage and disruption. This event was part of a series of earthquakes that have hit the country since the start of the new year. The aftermath included collapsed buildings, fires, disrupted services, and a tsunami warning. The government responded with urgency, promising to spare no effort in their emergency disaster responses. This narrative serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of humanity in the face of disaster. It also highlights the importance of preparedness and swift response in mitigating the effects of such events. As we move forward, it's vital to learn from these experiences and continue to improve our disaster management strategies.